Shalom to my garden family. Or should I say Shabbat Shalom? I'm coming out here doing a nighttime video because I failed to do it earlier and I felt like you deserved an update. So these are some of the new additions that I've added to the garden family. As you can see, that says cilantro and they are coming up nicely. And over here it says kale, and you can see that that's also trying to, let me get the shadow off of it, trying to come up. This is the basil. I saw the basil coming up, but I think it's struggling because of the type of topsoil or the soil that I used. Right here, I see some beefsteak tomatoes coming up. And there's some cherry tomatoes coming up. And I see also here some flowers that I planted. They're trying to come up as well. We got a little rain last night, so that was a good thing. And lastly, we have some squash. And in here is about 13 squash, I think. Let's see. Oh, those came up too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's about 13 in here, maybe 14. Oh, that's a new one. So probably 14 or 15 squash have come up. All my kitchen sage, this is last year's sage, and this is the sage that I just added. And I added some more sage brush, actually, that I harvested from Mount Soledad the other day. Let's see, the green onions are looking good. Here's my onions. They're starting to come up. I don't know if you can see them, but there's one onion. Oh, there's another onion and another onion. So all this is going to be onions. I see some things that aren't onions coming up, but that is what it is. I started a compost bin out here. I told my grandson to add some cucumbers in all the holes, and I can tell that he only put them in maybe 1 or 2 of the holes, but that's okay. And underneath the netting are the broccoli and Savoy cabbage. I had some cabbage moss trying to eat them up, but here's one right there. That's I believe that's Savoy cabbage, and there's some broccoli over there. And over there, let's see if I can make it bigger. Those are my propagated grapes that I propagated. So I got some grapes over there. I have this huge squash that has come up. Let's see. She's beautiful with all her leaves. Look at her. Over here, as you can see, my trellises, the cucumbers are coming up. So there's some cucumbers, and they get ready to do their thing. The avocado, she's showing up and showing out. Okay, hopefully we can keep her going. And then I have a nectarine right here. Let's see. A gold mine nectarine. She's been coming to bloom this spring. And this is the eggplant. This is my eggplant that I planted last year. She lay dormant for a little bit, and then she decided that she was really going to show out this year. So she's got flowers on her, as you can see. So she'll be giving us some eggplant really soon. The rosemary is looking good, and this Swiss chard, and more chard over there. And I planted some lilies here, and I got some more green onions that have actually gone to seed, which is wonderful. And hopefully I'll either be able to harvest the seed or they'll drop back in and do their thing because they come every year. I need to add some more soil to this pot. And I think I'll just do that with this pot right here, since whatever was in this pot gave up on itself, right? Take this out. Oh, I know what this is. This is something that I'm going to go ahead and stick in there. This is something that I actually harvested from somewhere. But, you know, when you harvest things like that and you repropagate, they have to literally die off first before they'll start back up again. So we'll see. Let me see here. if you can see. Yeah, we'll see if it starts back up again. But that is another kind of sage that I had. Yeah. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put some of this dirt in here so that this can have some soil. She needs some. She's very, very, very what you call it? Soil deprived. And that's because she's been in this garden now for maybe 2 or 3 years now. I'm holding the camera, so I'm trying to do both at the same time. Yeah, so see if I can get you. Yeah, there you go. See, look at you. Yeah, so it's easy to do these scallions or green onions, as I was telling you before. I actually have some in the window right now in the kitchen that I'm going to stick in here. Since there's more room, I'm just going to stick them, so I'm just going to stick them right into this pot here. Back there is the peach, and I really need to get over there, so I'm going to walk you with me if I don't kill myself in the process, so that we can uncover the peach, because we had a windy day. Yes, there's the peach, and she's full of peaches, as you can see. Look at that one. She's just full of peaches everywhere. She's bulging out with peaches. So we're going to have a lovely, lovely, look at that, peach harvest this year. Just peaches. There's another beautiful peach right there. So yeah, peaches everywhere. That's a wonderful thing. That is a blessing, and I cannot wait to try them. I put these other trellises up here as a barrier to keep off the lemons, but I got to do a better job. So here's the lemon tree. The lemon tree has been here, as you know, for quite some time. I saw some flowers on her. I see she's getting a lot of yellow. I don't know what she needs. I got to give her some Epsom salt, which I'm going to do right now, and see if we can fix her up. And I think down below could use some more soil. And yeah, I got to come work on her, because she could be in much better condition than what she's in. Okay, so this is what's going on in the front garden. This is what's going on. Thank you for coming to the channel. Welcome. You're much appreciated here. And remember to do your best. Be blessed. And grow something. Anything.